guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. It's been a few weeks since I uploaded a video. I'm not sure when this video is going up, but it should be my next video. I haven't made a video in a while because I've been so busy with work. And when Saturday night came along and I realized I didn't film anything all week, it was just not the right time to film something and put it up quickly. So today is going to be a little bit of a vlog, I guess. I have a few things set aside for a 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I hit 3,000 subscribers like a couple weeks ago maybe. I'll insert a picture here of how many subscribers I have now. But I'm going to do a 3,000 subscriber giveaway, and I have a couple things set aside that I'm going to include in it, and I'll put that in the video a little later. So keep watching and I'll do that at the end of the video. So today I am off. I have 2 days off in a row. I've been busy with work because I've been working 2 jobs, and I just found out that I got offered full-time at my new job, so I put in my 2 weeks notice at the hospital, which is kind of sad, but something I have to do. I really like my new job, and stepping away from the hospital is what I have to do. So all I'm going to say about the new job is that it's answering phones, and I will be working day shifts and back shift. It's more of a desk job, and yeah, I really enjoy it, so I can't wait to actually just work one job. Today is Wednesday, November 10th, and I'm off tomorrow, November 11th as well. And yeah, so today I went and got my hair done. It's a lot darker than it was. I find it's a lot darker, but it's 2 shades darker than what I had. I saw a profile picture of me from a few years ago, and I was like, my hair's darker there, but I really like it. So I went a little bit darker. Yeah, so I'm just at the post office now. I have a couple things here for the giveaway. I want to take the giveaway stuff into the post office first, and see if I can get a box or a mailer or something. All right, so I just left the post office and I got a box big enough to put all of the giveaway stuff in. The lady in there was really confused because I was like, I'm just wondering how much it would be to ship this box internationally if I have to. She was like, where are you sending it? And I was just like, I don't know yet. She's like, you don't know? Like, do you know what country? And I was like, no, I don't know yet. Like, it's a prize. So it could go in Canada, it could go in the States, it could go in the UK, it could go to the Philippines. And she was just like, oh, okay. So I got the medium-sized box, so hopefully that'll fit everything. So now I am on the way to go shopping for maybe some Christmas stuff. I started to plan the wedding a little more. So if anybody wants to see like wedding related content, let me know. I've been like I said, I've been busy with the 2 jobs, and like to even think about wedding stuff for next year, I don't know. I didn't plan too much yet, let's just say. I've been planning a little bit more the last day and a half. So we have our guest list almost ready, and I found a DJ today. I also found a place to rent tables and chairs. If you didn't watch my brother's wedding video, I'll link that up here, but we had, my brother had his wedding in his yard, which is next to my parents, and then the reception was in my parents' yard, and we had like a big tent and stuff. So that's kind of the vibe I'm going for, but just a lot more people. They had 20 people at their wedding, but we are trying to keep it under 150. So if you saw the tent and stuff in my mom and dad's yard, that's what we're going for too. But just, I think we'll have to get 2 of those tents, maybe. Let me know down in the comments and I'll vlog and let you know what I do, what I have booked and what I don't have booked. And if you have any ideas for an outdoor wedding, let me know as well. I'm getting in the Christmas mood a little bit. I wanted to get like a Christmas, oh my God, this person just passed me flying. Like flying. I hope he gets pulled over. Anyways. I feel a little bit more Christmassy now that Halloween is over and the weather's get a little bit colder. It's actually a nice 12.5 degrees today. You can wear a sweater and not sweat. It's nice. The plan is I'm going to go to the party supply store and book my table and chairs. And then I may go to a few different stores to look at Christmas stuff. So come with me. We will go look at some Christmas stuff. Okay, so I just went in the Great Canadian Dollar Store. Someone told me there was a lot of Christmas decorations in there, so I wanted to go look, but a lot of them were like plasticky Christmas decorations. I did find this cute little gnome. It was $10. I have some gnomes already for Christmas, so I just thought that would be cute to add with the others. And then all I got was plastic shower curtains for the inside of the shower, and then 4 of these little bottle brush trees. Just little trees like this. I thought they'd be cute to put around all the shelves I have. Yeah, and that's all I got. So I think I'm going to go to Giant Tiger. That's another store here. I think it's just a Canadian thing. Maybe it's just an Atlantic Canadian thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go there. Someone was saying that they have Christmas decorations there, so I might go look there. And I have found like nice sweaters in the past there, so we're gonna go see what they have there. So this week's video isn't very exciting, but there's a giveaway in it, so that kind of makes it exciting, right? So next week's video is gonna be me cleaning and decorating for Christmas. I might bake something, and I'm gonna try to film the decorating portion of that tomorrow. Giant Tiger is also jammed. Go ahead, sir. Okay. So this parking lot is also jammed. So I'll try my best to film. Anyone else that vlogs in public, let me know your tips. Because like I could run into someone I know. I don't want to be holding the camera up. It'd be a little awkward. Okay, so I didn't film much in there, but I showed you what they had. Not a whole lot. Some of it wasn't really what I was looking for. I got 2 of these little lantern things. They had a red one that I liked, but it had stockings on it or trees. And I thought that if I got these ones that I could use them like into January. So I got those. And then the only other thing I got was this car scraper. I've seen them advertised, like you're supposed to be able to put it on the frost of your outside of your window and kind of just scrape the snow off like this. I just wanted to try it. It was $4, so we will try that. So I'm gonna go to Winners and Michael's, and then I'll call it quits and go home. Let's be honest, I don't need any Christmas decorations. I have a very large bin of Christmas decoration, but it's always nice to look. Okay, so I just pulled into Michael's. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything in here, but I kind of want to go in and look at wedding stuff, and I know that it'll put me in the Christmas spirit because this time of year at Michael's looks like Christmas threw up. So that's what we're going for. Money at Michael's. I didn't think I was going to, but I did. I got sucked in. I showed you the bottle brush trees that I got at Great Canadian Dollar Store, the little mini ones. I got 2 large ones. I think I have a couple medium-sized ones at home from last year. So I got 2 of these. Whoa, sparkles just went everywhere. I got 2 of these white ones. You can't really tell how big they are. Those 2 trees were $14.99 each. I got this glass tree. I thought it was cool. It looks kind of vintagey. And that one I got for $17.99. I get it. It's too much money. But like, look at it. Watch me go in Winners and find the exact same thing for like $12. And if I do, I will buy that and return this. And then I got 2 more things at Michael's. This little sign I got for $5.99. I thought it was cute. Looks kind of vintagey. And then this little thing, I think it's supposed to be a charcuterie board, but I'm just going to use it as a decoration in the kitchen under where like the backsplash would be. And it's a wooden tree, and it says home for the holidays. And this was not on sale. I thought this was on sale and it wasn't. So that sucks, but I really like it, so I might return this one. Yeah. Okay, so now that I'm covered in sparkles, I'm gonna try to go to Winners before it starts to rain because it looks like it's gonna downpour. So I'm gonna try to get in the building before it starts to rain. I think I'm just gonna go to Winners and that's it, and then head home. So Winners was busy too. I think I got a clip or two in there, but I got this little tree and this is all I got. But I thought it was cute. I thought the little pot that it was in was cute. And it was only $12.99. So I am officially finished shopping for Christmas decorations. I hope. I'm gonna head home now. And once I get home, I will show you what's in the giveaway and how you can enter. So while I still have a little bit of daylight left, I'm gonna show you what I got for the giveaway. I'm gonna put it in this box from the post office. If I can get it together here. So I have my Canada Post box here, and as I show you, I'm gonna pop everything in the box. So the first thing I got from Amazon came in a box like this with 3 different size offset spatulas. I have to take them out of the box in order to fit them in the Canada Post box, but I'm gonna leave them in these little sleeves. So there's 3 different sizes. I'm gonna pop those in the box. They fit, okay. So I got this cute spatula and cookie cutter set from Winners. I don't know if you can see it on the back here, but it has like little conversion charts from like cups to fluid ounces to milliliters, tablespoons. Yeah, so it's going in the box. So I got these baking strips. There's 4 in here, 2 purple and 2 blue. If you watched my Amazon baking gadgets video, I used these and I really liked them, so I wanted to let you guys try them out too. You kind of soak them in water and then wrap them around your round cake pans. So those are going in. I got this set of cake combs. There's a different design on each side. I'm not gonna take it out of the package because I just don't want to touch it on you. So there's 4 different cake scrapers in here with a different pattern on each side. So then I ordered one of my favorite piping tips. This one is the Ateco 856. So I really like the 859, but I couldn't find that. But this is just like a smaller version of that. So I don't want to open the package, but you can see the tip. So I'm gonna put that in the box. And then I got some sprinkles. I did a sprinkle haul in one of my vlogs a few weeks ago, so I just wanted to throw in this one. This one could be for any occasion really, probably for a birthday or something, but this one is called Hot Air Balloon. And then a little emergency dose of sprinkles from Sweet Apolita. This one is like pinks and yellows and whites. And this one is called Meringue. So I have the box full and ready to go. I may add a few more things in there like candy or something like that, but that's the gist of the giveaway. So I have it all ready to go in the box. So if you would like to win my 3,000 subscriber giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and down in the comments, let me know why you want to win. You can also head over to my Instagram page and follow me over there. I am going to send this internationally, so anybody can win. I know a lot of my subscribers are in the United States or in the Philippines or in the UK. I will also leave all the instructions down in the description box if you want to double check that you make sure you do everything to win. All right, so that's it for today's video. I will announce the giveaway winner in next Sunday's video, so stay tuned for that. I will contact you directly through YouTube, and if I can find you on Instagram or something, I'll contact you there too to try and speed things up a little. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog style video. See you next Sunday.